Like we know that in CSAT, we already learned about the English, okay, that comes in unseen passages, comprehensive part, and also comes from the grammar portion of English subject. Hello everyone, I am Shakiba and today I am going to tell you about how to prepare CSAT for UPSC CSE exam. Mastering CSAT strategies for success in UPSC CSE. Okay, so first, introduction. Welcome to the Mastering CSAT presentation. This session will provide strategies and tips for excelling in the UPSC CSE. Get ready to enhance your CSAT preparation and boost your chances of success. Okay, so how to prepare CSAT? Like we all know that CSAT is a second paper of GS subjects that comes into your prelims paper. Okay, like we all know that we have three stages: prelims, mains and interview, and in prelims we have two paper, GS1 and GS2, that is CSAT. Okay, next, understanding CSAT, that what is CSAT? Okay, like the CSAT Civil Services Aptitude Test is a crucial component of the UPSC CSE. It assesses analytical and reasoning abilities. Understanding the syllabus and question pattern is essential for effective preparation. Okay, like we know that in CSAT, we already learned about the English, okay, that comes in unseen passages, comprehensive part, and also comes from the grammar portion of English subject. And the next, mathematics, that comes in manner of analytical and reasoning. Okay, so it all comes in your CSAT paper. So how to read about it, how to do a lot of practice, that you can get a better number or better marks in your CSAT. Next, effective time management. Okay, so first thing you should know about how to manage your time. Like mastering time management is key to excelling in CSAT. Learn to allocate time wisely for each section. Practicing mock tests under time conditions is essential for improving speed and accuracy. Okay, like number of questions, okay, in your paper 2, like in your GS paper 2, that is CSAT, which comes, so you have to do a lot of practice so that your numerical problems or your mental reasoning problems will get easier day by day. Okay, next, critical reading skills. Developing critical reading skills is crucial for comprehending complex passages in the CSAT. Learn to identify key information and main ideas. Utilize annotation techniques to add understanding. Okay, like I already told you about that comprehensive passage or unseen passage which comes in your CSAT paper, okay, so that you have a good reading skill or good vocabulary power so that you can get good marks in your English passage too. Next, logical reasoning techniques. So, mastering logical reasoning is essential for the success in the CSAT. Understand various types of logical questions and practice syllogism, analogies and critical reasoning to enhance skills. Okay, like reasoning questions that comes in your CSAT paper, so you have a critical thinking or critical knowledge about that so that you can get easier marks for that. Okay, so that's all, and do not be worried about that because CSAT is a qualifying paper. Just remember it. Just you have to do a lot of practice, okay, a number of questions that comes in your CSAT paper because it's only a qualifying paper. So if you do a lot of practice, so you can get a more marks in CSAT paper. Okay, so that's all from my side. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.